Hey, how you doing? I just want to show you how to create overlays for your Facebook Live videos. First, you want to create them. So you want to go to a website called canva.com, and you're going to be able to create your overlays pretty easy here. I have some done already. This is my lower third for the bottom, and I have one here for pretty much a product that I have, and this is going to go off to the side that people can see, and it shows the graphic of the product and description and the price and shipping, handling, and all that good information. So I have these done already, so if I wanted to download them, you'll click up top here, hit download, and then I would just hit this button and it'll download right to my computer. It's pretty easy to use. You could have a link in my description, so you could click on it and go join yourself, Canva. They have a lot of templates that you can use, and like I said, it's real simple to understand. So once you have your graphic done, you just go to Frame Studio here, and you want to hit create a frame. And once you hit create a frame, it's going to take you to the camera effects page. And here you want to click to the top button on the right hand corner here called Open Frame Studio, and that's going to allow you to create your frame. And you want to click Facebook camera here, and then you want to select your graphics by clicking upload art. I have two here already set up, and once they're in here, you just want to position the way you want to. Drag this over here, make it a little bigger. I'm gonna take the lower third graphic, put it down here, make it bigger here. Oops. And okay. There you go, centered. Let me bring this down a little bit more to the side. That's good. And if you look over here, these two screens here, if you select them, you can see how it's going to look on your phone. So I mean, if you like it, what you see, then you just hit next, and then you can name your overlay. I'm just going to name it test overlay, and then you have all the options down here. You could choose the location, you could schedule it, and you got keywords. So I mean, I wouldn't bother too much with this unless you don't want to unless you just want to show an overlay in the United States, or unless you want to schedule it at a certain time. The different overlays that you're running for different times of the week, you can do that here. If you like what you see here, again, you can check it by clicking the graphics to the right hand side. It'll show you how it look on your phone. If you like it, then just hit next. It'll show you the test overlays, again, how it looks, and if you like it, just hit published. And hit OK, and it will publish the effect. And there you go. And once it's published, if you click on this little wand, once you go Facebook Live, you go live with your phone. If you click that little wand, you'll see the option for the frames. So just select the frame that you just published, and it should pop up right on your screen, and then you should be able to go live with it. And that's pretty much it. So again, if you want to create your graphics, use Canva. You'll see the link in the description. And if you want to use these templates, just click the link and message me, and I'll send you the templates, a link to the templates so you can use, and you just can drag and drop the different elements to make it easier for you. So if you want to do that, because I did a proper sizing for these graphics that it could fit on, for Facebook Live. So if you want to use them, just click the link and message me, and I'll send them right to you. All right, so thanks a lot for checking this out, and take care.